Hi, this is Jeffrey here from Personal Power. Today I was in this Edutech Asia. This is interesting what I show you over here. This is electronics. See, my earlier in the 20s, I was working in the place of electronics. So somehow I love the education kit for electronic kind of stuff. So especially this, you're curious. Maybe I'm a guy or I like the. But anyway, today most important, I'm going to introduce you Dr. In Hans. He will tell you, he's a professor, he will tell you all about this education kit. You will love it in the industry or for children from different to college. Okay. Anyway, I think I leave it to the expert, Dr. In Hans.
Thank you, Jeff. I'd like to introduce our product. Our product is a very unique one. As you know, this product is easily you can connect. We don't need any soldering. This is the electric circuit. You can see the LED and it's variable resistors, and I can turn on light on and off using different resistance. And then our product has 4 patents, 3 US patents and then Korean patents. And also I want to show you another one is MR200. This is learning digital. So you can using a language 7 land and gate, OR gate. You can learn all these things 7 segments too. And also you can using many kind of things using this one. Also through this one you can learn C languages. And I hope you want to learn more about our product using YouTube. You can type in MR board or MR10 or MR200, so you can learn more about our product. Thank you.